Stay tuned and I will show you how to make a superfood that not only benefits your body but also tastes amazing. And it will only take you 5 minutes. Now let's hope that you eat yogurt, because in today's show, plain yogurt is the main ingredient and also the outcome. Second thing is a mighty banana. Don't leave it out, otherwise the result will be too watery. And of course, we need its sweetness, because we want to put the sour stuff in, which banana helps to outbalance. So let's view this yogurt as a vehicle for transporting sour berries into your body. You can add whatever you have at home. Cranberries, lingonberries, red currants, black currants, or even sea buckthorn if you can find it. Who has them at home? But berries are definitely available in most of larger stores in frozen form, so make sure that you get a package or two into your freezer next time you shop. Next thing you want to add, if you can handle a little bit of spicy, is voila, a ginger. Now if you know any other way how to make a chunk of raw ginger of this size eatable, please write in comments, because the world deserves to know. You can pick the size yourself, but the good thing is that even if you go a bit overboard, it won't ruin the outcome and you're getting that chunk into your body raw. That is the coolest thing. So far we have yogurt, banana, sour berries and ginger. Now let's add some more fruit. Then we have something to eat, otherwise we're mixing a medicine here. Now we're done with the foundation, and let me tell you, it's pretty solid. The base tastes hold its own no matter what else you add there. I mean, it's pretty hard to mess it up with stuff that you might want to put in next. Now comes the variations part, and here you can be creative. But please be aware that from this point the yogurt grows like a tree, and you might need to refer back to this video again to decide which branch you want to sit on. One variation I love is adding cinnamon. Again, there's not too many options besides baking where you can use it. And pastries, as every decent Weight Watcher knows, we try to avoid. So if you can suggest anything besides pastries where you can add a decent amount of cinnamon, please share. We're all here to learn. Next, of course, you can mix your protein powder in it. Any flavor should be just fine. I personally use chocolate and it fits absolutely well, but I don't think all those vanillas and strawberries are any worse. Now if you want to try a riskier version, you can try adding turmeric instead of cinnamon and protein powder. It comes as a root or powder, whichever you can get. I've always been fascinated about its benefits, but it has a specific taste which makes it difficult to use daily. They just don't fit in most dishes. But by adding a pinch to your yogurt, you'll get all the goodness without even noticing it. If you're careful with the amount, banana, ginger and berries will not let it dominate. Now if turmeric isn't your thing, no worries. If you want to go risk-free, another alternative is spinach. Now who on earth likes this tasteless grass that doesn't make any food better by being added? Of course, only those who are aware of its mega qualities and want to benefit from them. How much do you want? There is no room in this window to list all the benefits. Now if you want to trick your kids into eating the spinach version of this yogurt, don't add berries, so that the spinach green is the only color in it. Here you go. I made you a sample just to show how it looks. You can call it a Shrek smoothie to make it appealing to your kids. If they're older, then a Hulk yogurt. That should ring a bell. But in the meantime,